Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Wednesday, January 20th, 2016. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, we're looking at a market that is down pretty sharply, but it's off the lows. But nonetheless, it is still trading lower by 28 points on the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Right now, the futures are trading right around the 1845 level. So any way you slice it, dice it, markets were hit overnight, starting in Asia. You had a real big sell-off there. You had Japan down very, very sharp. Also, the Hang Seng, which is Hong Kong, down very, very sharp. And the Shanghai, I believe, was down 1%. Europe is getting hit this morning. But we'll see how this market plays out. We are very, very oversold. We're coming into very, very big support levels. So again, it could be another wild trading day filled with volatility, filled with a lot of choppiness. And you never know, maybe that today's the day you get a little bit of a market reversal. All right, looking at some stocks in the news, we have plenty to talk about. We're going to talk about Goldman Sachs to begin with. They reported earnings this morning. Stock closed at $156.82. It is trading at $154.20. So right now, Goldman is down a touch, but nothing that damaging. We'll see how it plays out. Right now, we don't have any gap plays per se yet, but we'll see where this goes. Next on my list is going to be Netflix. This is a stock we seem to play almost every day in the intraday stock chat room. Right now, Netflix is trading at $109.69. It did spike all the way up to $122 and has come back down to earth. Stock did close at $107.89, so it's still holding a little bit of a gain. But Netflix could be a runner today if this market does recuperate. So keep that on the radar. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You could see everything that we're doing there. But Netflix is a stock that we most likely will play today. We seem to trade it almost on a regular basis. Let's take a look at good old IBM, Big Blue. Big Blue is singing the blues today. Stock closed at $128.11. It is trading at $120.87. There looks like there could be some chart support around $120. After that, you really got to look a heck of a lot lower. So right now, Big Blue under some pressure. We'll watch this when the opening bell rings. I don't really have a specific number level for you right now, but just the 120 level so far has been defended in the pre-market. Let's take a look at Interactive Brokers. IBRK is the ticker symbol, or IBKR, believe it or not, is the ticker symbol. So again, we'll see how that one's playing out. Right now, Interactive Brokers trading at $32. Volume is super light here. Stock closed at $33.49. I'll try to get some levels for this one once the opening bell rings. Sometimes this is what we call a lighter volume stock, meaning it rarely trades over 1 million shares. So I think traders should be aware of that. Right now we're looking at another support level around $29.50 if it does get there. So if it gets to $29.50, I really like that level a lot, and I think that is a bounce area. Keep it on the radar today. Let's take a look at GNC. So this is General Nutrition Center. Stock is trading higher today. Closed at $23.56. Now trading at $26.50. So good pop for GNC. I'm going to probably have some gap resistance levels for this one in the intraday stock chat room today. But again, good little move. The big resistance level comes at $30 if it could get there. So I'm not sure if it will. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Brinker, EAT. This is the company, I believe, that runs Chili's and Maggiano's restaurants. Right now, you're looking at stock trading at $48.50, closed at $48.25. So no real movement there. Stock, in my opinion, does have a lot of resistance at $50. So we'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Ameritrade. AMTD is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $29.50, closed at $28.93. So good little pop there for Ameritrade. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings, but nonetheless, it will be in play this morning. Now, you do have weakness this morning in Google, or I should call it Alphabet, and I'm going to use the GOOGL symbol, and you can see this is trading at around $7.09. Stock closed at $7.19. Amazon, I believe, is also trading lower today. These are market leaders right now, so you got to follow these stocks closely. Amazon closed at $5.64, trading at closed at 574. It's trading at 566.89 now. It has come off the lows here a little bit. There definitely is a lot of support for Amazon around the 550 level, so keep that on the radar. And then 5.25 is another big intraday support level for Amazon today. Looking over at a few other stocks, we have a lot of movers, but not anything really with a lot of volume. So it just tells you that for the most part, the market is getting dragged down with the major indexes before the opening bell. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at Baidu today. Baidu is trading at 161.40. It closed at 166. This is an oversold condition, so traders could keep an eye on this one. A level I have for you on Baidu this morning is definitely lower, so I'm going to have that as a gap level. But again, still looks like around the 158 area, 158.50. Still a fair amount of support there for Baidu, but I will have some levels for you once you come into the intraday stock chat room on this one. All right, looking over at the oil market. The sell-off today is being blamed on crude. Crude is making a new low, but it's only down 67 cents to 28.90. If you take a look at the USO, which is an oil ETF, what you'll see here is that this is trading at around $8.30, closed at $8.49. So it is reflecting the small sell-off in crude. The big winner today is going to be gold. Gold is trading up $11.70 to $1,100.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's a rather pretty nice pop, although it is pulled back, has pulled back a little bit off the highs. All right, I think we covered everything we wanted to get through today. Earnings will start to pour in this afternoon. We did get quite a few earnings this morning, but we're going to get earnings in droves beginning tonight. So be prepared for that. You're going to get a lot of earnings plays going forward each and every day. We're going to start to get a lot of morning gaps in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to come and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. One thing I will say so far this year, the intraday stock chat has been on fire. We've had a great, sensational trading year so far. I'm going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.